If you have no other moves speed things up. Press the indicated button to proceed. What indicated button? End? Okay. Observe. This support card raises attack power on the field. Finding synergy with the character cards and support cards is key to victory. I have explained defense, now weak for defense. I deployed a card where you have no cards and where your defense is weak. Watch what happens. Uh-oh. What's gonna happen? Ooh, this art's so good.
Surprise!
Oh! My life flashed before my eyes. My life literally flashed before my eyes. There was like 20 million thoughts that went through my head just now. Finger hovering over the end stream. I actually was, my brain was going a mile a minute for a second. Holy moly. Oh, we love Queen's Blade. The Queen's Blade things are happening. It's getting really Queen's Bladey up in here.
You want to see me do it again?
My brain actually short-circuited. You guys don't understand. My life actually flashed before my eyes. Oh my god. You guys. This is dangerous! This is scaring me. This is scaring me. I mean, yeah, what do we expect? I guess I was just not, okay. Yeah. You guys, I know nothing about this game. I literally came into this game completely blind. I was like, oh, a roguelike deck builder, it's on Steam. Surely it's safe for workplace, right? Surely. I'm sure it'll be fine. It'll be fine, right? It's on Steam. How bad could it be, right? But just in case, I am going to prepare my lovely sensor here. We're gonna prepare our wide clippy. Wide clippy is on hand. Okay. All right.
A few moments later.
When do they attack? Okay. Do I need to deploy the wide clippy? This seems okay. So far, so good. You can see the calculations running through my brain. Oh my god. I was so ready. I was so ready for that. For once, I feel as though I'm living life. Your lust for battle is greater than I anticipated. Not to mention the look on your face when your armor shattered. How captivating. That's crazy. That's crazy. Fool. Lena, 0 points.